Hi everybody, very good evening to all of you. Hope you guys are doing great. Now, the reason for talking to you today is to give you information about my upcoming batch for CA Final paper number 7, Direct Tax and International Taxation. This batch is for May 2023 and November 2023 students. So students who are going to appear in the May and November 2023. This video, this information is relevant for you. Paper 7 is your second largest paper after FR. अब बट ऑब्वियस है कि अगर सेकेंड लार्जेस्ट पेपर है तो भाई कोचिंग भी उतना इन डेप्थ उतना एग्जॉस्टिव होना चाहिए. सो वी विल बी हैविंग 240 hours of lecture duration. Lectures will be available through Google Drive. 240 hours of lecturing. What will we be doing? We will be studying the subject from the Income Tax Act. You'll be getting 4 textbooks, and in these 4 textbooks we will be decoding Income Tax Act 1961 the way it is printed. हम लोग bare act में से पढ़ेंगे. We will simplify the act during the lectures. We will study what the sections are, what the provisions are, क्यों ऐसा है, क्यों ऐसा नहीं है, अगर ऐसा नहीं होता तो क्या होता, what are the repercussions, implications, consequences of all these provisions. Not only that, it's not going to be just theory. We will be solving classroom में questions also. We will be solving questions, past exam questions and other than exam questions, but which are based on the paper pattern, the questioning style of institute. We'll be solving questions in the classroom as well. Sir, 4 textbook, yes, the subject is that big that it deserves to be studied in depth. But sir, 4 textbook, तो sir, how will we study when we are close to the exams? But obviously, you cannot go through all 4 textbooks in the 1.5 day that you have before paper number 7. अरे 1.5 day छोड़ दो. When you are 1 month prior to your exams, you will be revising the subject. Sir, we cannot revise this subject. It is a mammoth, huge subject. Agreed. And so, I will also be giving you a summary book. Summary book will be in color. Pura subject will be summarized, keeping in mind the exam. It will be an exam oriented book. You will revise the subject, you will study the subject before your exams from the summary book. Sir, आप क्लासरूम में क्वेश्चंस करवाओगे? Yes, we will be discussing questions also, but that will be in the lecture where I will be with you together and we will be solving questions. But then you also have to have practice. You also have to apply all the theory that you are learning. So I will be giving you a question bank as well, updated as per Finance Act 2022. That question bank will contain past exam questions, other than exam questions, but which are necessary for you to practice on your own independently to gain confidence in the subject. The lectures will be conducted 100% in English. Now, coming to some things which I feel are going to give benefit to my Google Drive students. Once every 15 days, I will be having a doubt solving session with you on a one-to-one basis through Zoom. We'll pick up a Saturday or a Sunday because you guys will be in your articleship, especially November 23 students, your articleship will be going on. May 23 students, probably you are doing articleship, probably you are on a study leave. So once every 15 days, I will be having a Zoom call with you where I will solve your doubts on a one-to-one basis. Of course, I will also be sharing my personal phone number with all those students who enroll for the batch. So you can definitely ask me the doubt at any time and not wait for the Zoom call. But this is an extra thing that I want to make available to the student. आपके पास ये facility है that you can directly talk with me on Zoom on a one-to-one basis and get your doubts solved. Another thing, most of the CA final students face this problem. 2 problems. 1, sir, theory पढ़ लिया, we understood everything, we understood PGBP and we understood transfer pricing and we understood this and we understood that. But sir, sums आता है तो we cannot apply it. क्लिक नहीं होता सर, क्लिक नहीं होता, ये सेक्शन होगा. सो सोल्यूशन क्या है? सोल्यूशन है कि प्रैक्टिस करो. सर प्रैक्टिस के लिए क्वेश्चन बैंक है, यस, बट वो क्वेश्चन बैंक होगा विद सॉल्यूशंस. In addition to the question bank, I will be giving you chapter wise tests. Chapter wise you will be given a test paper along with solution. तो एक काम करो, create an exam environment, half an hour का exam environment create करो और chapter wise test लिखो. With solutions self check करो. लेकिन that's not how it's going to be asked in your final exams. In your exams it's going to be a 100 marks paper. तो गाइज आई विल बी गिविंग यू अ मॉक पेपर ऑल्सो. मॉक पेपर तो इंस्टीट्यूट भी देता है, बट फॉर ऑल माई गूगल ड्राइव स्टूडेंट्स आई विल बी पर्सनली इवेल्युएटिंग योर मॉक पेपर एंड आई विल बी शेयरिंग इनपुट्स एंड इनसाइट्स विथ यू. सो यू राइट द मॉक पेपर, मेक अ PDF of the solution, send it to me, I will evaluate it, I will get in touch with you, we will have a discussion. How can you improve your presentation? How can you improve your answers? Which are the chapters that you need to work upon? I will be evaluating the mock paper myself. This is something that is inbuilt with the Google Drive lectures. I'm not only going to give you lectures, I want to give you this assistance also. And this is something that many of my past students have told me, something that is my forte, something that I do reasonably in a very good way. I will be helping my students during your 4.5, 5 months of study leave. कब क्या study करना है, how much time should be given to each subject, when you study for the first time, then when you revise for the first time, when you revise for the second time, when should you write the mock paper, what should be the combination. Some students prefer one subject for 10 days and I will study that one subject only dedicatedly, but there are so many students who get bored with studying one subject. So sir, I will take 2 subjects in my study leave, first half एक subject, second half another subject. What combination should you choose? How many days should you give to each subject when you study for the first time? So I will be giving you this study plan also. Any student who enrolls for this Google Drive lectures, you will get a study plan for you, tailor made. If that study plan is not executed, how do we replan? If you are not able to cope up, what should we do? उसका solution क्या है? I will be there with you in your study leave also, in your exams also. I mean in your exams मतलब during your exams. Of course, during your exams, sir, how will you be helping us? So on YouTube, I will be uploading revision lectures. This of course is on YouTube, so whether you are my student or not, you will be able to view those revision lectures of the full syllabus. I will also be uploading marathon lectures, so that in that 1.5 day of your exam time you can listen to the lectures, and if you listen to the lectures तुम्हारा subject अपने आप revise हो जाएगा, you will feel more confident. Then all that you have to do is to just study it from the book wherever you feel necessary. I will also be uploading lectures for RTP discussion. Suppose you are solving the RTP and you are not comfortable with a certain question, you can anytime open the lecture on YouTube and view it. CA Institute comes out with an MCQ booklet, and trust me, the MCQ booklet made by CA Institute is really fantastic. They have put in a very good amount of effort and time, and they come up with a superb MCQ booklet. That's the trend that has been observed so far. I will be solving the MCQ booklet and putting up YouTube videos, so any given point of time you find a problem with a certain MCQ, open the video, go to that timestamp, look at that particular MCQ solved, and you can get the solution. So this is basically the basic information about my Google Drive lectures. Sir, when will the lectures be available? The lectures will be available from 25th of November. If you enroll before 25th of November, you can avail of a small nominal discount. Lectures will be a Google Drive lecture will be available from 25th November. And sir, how do we enroll for the lectures? These are the contact details. You can call up on these details. You can ask for any other information that you might require before you enroll, and you enroll, and these are the numbers on which you have to get in touch. So this is all from my side. I hope this information was sufficient enough. Any other information, if you feel you need anything, you need to talk to me, or you need any other information, you can get in touch with these people. The people who handle these numbers, they will get in touch with me, we'll connect, and wish you all the very best. Happy studying. That's it from my side. Thank you very much.